Sean Callagy, unblinded, co-creating breakthroughs and dreams, crushing fear and distortion. And those words can resonate as hyperbolic, a little much, or they can resonate as absolute truth as we land here in Poland. First feeling quite candidly is thinking about my grandfather, Pop, Adam Bastek, who was 100% Polish, making me 25% Polish. Thinking about things that the folks in Poland went through in the incredible oppression and nightmare of World War II, as we land here to do some good in the Ukraine. Rob Gill is filming, Chris Krohn, couldn't thank you enough, brother, for everything, as we're in our beautiful uniform outfits doing this incredible work. So Chris, thank you, and what's present for you in your heart as we land here in Poland?
You know, for me, it's a surreal moment, just recognizing that we're about to unload 2,500 pounds of medical devices, defibrillators, tourniquets, trauma kits, body armor, and that we're going to make sure that gets where it needs to, gets to the front lines where civilians are being instructed and defending their homeland and defending their country, and also resupplying hospitals, visiting orphanages and refugee camps along the way to get them the materials that they need. And I feel privileged to be a part of it. I feel grateful, but frankly, I just feel really humbled.
And thanks for the briefing with the team as we flew through the night last night. I think it's 9 o'clock in the morning here, 3 o'clock in the morning back east, 1 o'clock in the morning back in your home state of Utah, and just hearing about the different places we're going to be and the levels of trepidation and or real excitement about the fact that we're coming. Couldn't be more grateful. Nick, it was wonderful to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for everything that we're doing here. And just on a final note, we're going to be keeping things posted and looking to create the right tonality. Like, what's the right level of energy about what's happening? That beautiful balance of awareness, of helping and supporting, of making sure there's respect and presence to what's going on, and all that's going to be present. So thank you guys. Couldn't appreciate everything and everyone supporting this mission more. So love you guys. We're all blind. Just